This is the WWC World Wrestling Cats, featuring some of the most ferocious predators in the feline world, ready to go head-to-head in the battle for glory. The fangs, the claws, the primal instinct. These elite competitors will face 4 intense challenges for the ultimate prize, a mountain of cat food. The crowds are eager to meet the contestants. First, fighting for Canadian orphans is Almond, known for attacking tails. Hoping to destigmatize feline vegetarians is Elliot. A heavyweight champion, he fights dirty. Intending to share the grand prize with blind pigeons is Pakumanai, known for being on the wrong side of dog piles. Intending to eat the grand prize entirely by herself is Cassie, known for her unbridled ferocity. And fighting for education reform for Asian lemurs is Kitten. She likes to chew on things. As the runt of her litter, Kitten had to fight for her survival, but she rose above the odds. Then, feeling for others with disadvantages, her charitable work began with caring for poor humans. Each contestant has undergone intense training to prepare for the challenges ahead. Through strict diets, grueling exercise, and working with elite coaches, these tireless warriors have stretched themselves to the limits of mind and body, strength and stamina. And now, they're ready to fight! The first event is the arena, a cooped-up cage for conniving cat-on-cat combat and carnage. Only 2 contestants were brave enough to face the arena, and they weren't Elliot, Cassie, or Kitten. It's Almond versus Pakumanai. First they engage paw to paw. Then Almond goes for Pakumanai's tail. In the end, Pakumanai pulls a fast one and pins Almond down. For the second event, the contestants will battle inanimate things. We start off with Pakumanai and Almond, who have taken a taste for the ropes. Next, it's Cassie versus the towel. Just look at that action. It seems everyone has taken a taste for the ropes. Ferocious. Pakumanai and Cassie take on the floor. And Elliot takes on the wall. Speaking of walls, it's time for the third event. Whoever is first in scaling a sheer cliff will win this death-defying event. Cassie is the first to take a leap of faith. Or not. Next, Kitten also changes her mind. As does Elliot. Does Pakumanai have what it takes? So far, so good! Undaunted, he tries again, climbing higher until we have a victory! Our fourth and final event is the dreaded Gauntlet, a narrow space in which all 5 contestants must fight for their survival. Caged on all sides, the only way out is through victory. To start off the event, Cassie has challenged Pakumanai, hoping to steal his lead in the competition. She's the first to attack. But they're evenly matched. Pakumanai defends himself with brutal kicks to the face. Still, Cassie rises on top, pinning Pakumanai down. Show no mercy. A defeated Pakumanai retreats. Now it's time to let loose, as it's every cat for his or herself. The timer begins. Knowing of the carnage ahead, Almond goes for cover. Kitten goes for Cassie. As Almond faces the inevitable. It's Kitten versus Elliot. Cassie takes down Pakumenai. Almond takes down Elliot. Pakumenai fights a mysterious paw. Now it's Almond versus Ktten. Going after the tail as always, when Elliot interrupts. Cassie's outnumbered. Body slammed by Elliot and charged by Pakumenai. Cassie picks another fight. When Elliot interrupts, it's total mayhem! Time out for a milk break. This is WWC. The crowd is eager to see the conclusion to the epic fight. As the final round begins, the contestants unleash their full fury. Once again, Almond goes for cover as Cassie attacks a towel. Pakumenai flees in terror as Ktten hunts down Cassie. Pakumenai falls with fright. Cassie attacks Elliot. Something grabs their attention. Then it's back to fighting. Almond attacks Pakumenai. As Ktten attacks a towel, Pakumenai redeems his record, giving Almond the smackdown of a lifetime! It's time for the judges to make their decision. As points are added up, and as the contestants kiss and make up, everyone is left to wonder, who will take home the mountain of cat food, and how will they do it? At long last, the results are in. The 2020 WWC champion is...